Morning children, today's date is 13th September and the year is 2021. Today's day is Monday, and in our phonics lesson today we are going to learn the phonic sound of letter R. This is the capital letter R, okay, and the sound of this letter is R. So this is the big R. That's the name of the letter. The name of the letter is R, and the sound, the phonic sound of this letter is R. Now here is the lowercase letter r. Yes, we are going to learn to write this later. So the name of this letter is R, again the lowercase r, and the sound remains the same. The sound of this letter is R. Okay, so name of the letter is R and the sound of this letter is R. Okay, just the way we write it changes. The sound and the name remains the same. Now let's have a look at few pictures that begin with the sound R. So let's start with the first one. This is an image of a rose. It's a flower. Yes, rose. This is a fruit. Raspberry. This is rice. Rat. Rhino. Rabbit. Rain. Rainbow. River. Robot. Rocket. Ruler. It's the scale that you use to measure. Ring. Rug. Yes, let's do it once again. All of these images begin with the sound R. Yes, the name of the letter is R and the sound is R. Rose, raspberry, rice, rat, rhino, rabbit, rain, rainbow, river, robot, rocket, ruler, ring, rug. Yes, so all these words began with the sound R. Coming to the homework sheet, I would like you to take a printout of this sheet or copy this sheet in your literacy notebook. Okay, so let's start. So here you have to tick the pictures that begin with the sound R. Okay, so let's start. So this is an image of a robot. Does this begin with the sound R? Robot. Yes, it does. So you tick it. Tick here in the box. The next picture is of a cat. Cat. Now does it begin with the sound R? No, it begins with the sound K. Yes, so we don't tick this picture. We cross it. The next one is a picture of a rat. Yes, now the word rat, does it begin with the sound R? Yes, rat. So you tick the picture. Yes. Next is, which color is this? Green. Now does it begin with the sound R? No. So you just cross the picture. The next is a picture of a racket. So it's a tennis racket, or you can also call it just racket. Yes, now the word racket. Does it begin with sound R? Racket. Yes, it does. So you tick here in the box. Next, which color is this? The color is red. Yes, now the word red. Does it begin with the sound R? Red. Yes, it does. So you tick it. The next is a picture of a car. Car. Yes, what's the beginning sound in the word car? The beginning sound is K Yes, k, r. And the ending sound is r, car. Yes, but here we have to click pictures only that begin with the sound r. Yes, so you just cross the picture. It begins with the sound k. The next one is a picture of a rabbit. R, rabbit. Yes, it begins with the sound r. Yes, so you tick the picture. Now down, there are these words which are written and you have to match the picture. Okay, these are easy words. You can read it. You know the sounds of all these letters now. R, a, t. R, a, t. Rat. Where's the picture of the rat? You match it. Make a line. Join the word rat and the picture rat with a line. Next one. R, e, d. Red. R, e, d. Red. Where's the red color? Here. So you match the word and the picture with a line. Join it with a line. Okay. And the last word. R, a, n. R, a, n. Ran. What is this boy doing? Yes, the action that he's doing is he's running. So he ran. Okay, so you join the words ran and the picture of the boy running. And join it together. Match it with a line. Okay, so you can complete the sheet in your literacy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.